Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to get which Disney character you are on Instagram. Now for that, first of all, open the Instagram application. Once you're at the home page of the Instagram, you need to go to the story section. So tap on story, or you can just slide to the right. There, once you're at the story page, there from the filter available, you slide to the very right. Just tap on slide and you move to the right. There you will see the option of browse effect. You tap on that. Now here you will be able to search for the effects that you want on Insta story. So there on the search bar, tap on search icon, and there on the search bar you type in Disney character. Tap on search. There you will get the filters which you will be able to use. So you can choose any filter over here. Tap open. Then you need to tap on try it option on the left of the screen. Tap on try it. Now using this, you will be able to use the Disney character filter. You can just swipe left or choose any other filter that you want from here. This is how you can get which Disney character you are in Instagram. You just need to put your camera straight to your face and the filter will pop out on your screen. This is how you can easily get which Disney character you are on Instagram filter. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.